My name is James Martin and I'm currently doing an aeronautical engineering course in Coleg Gwent. I chose my course mainly due to the open day that I had. Obviously when I started, I thought the campus was brilliant and my teachers were very welcoming, so I decided that this is the course for me. The open event, as soon as I walked in, there was a VR headset just set up on the floor as well. There was also the Radical car that they just put in the auditorium, and that instantly just captured my eyes. I was like, wow, this is a crazy place. And my tutor was taking us around. We saw the wind tunnel, our classroom we'd be working in, the 3D printer. It was very, very, very cool. I chose Coleg Gwent and also just to go to college in general because I wanted a new experience. Sixth form, I go back to the same school. I didn't really want to do that, and I decided I wanted to go with my friends to Coleg Gwent. Favorite things about the course, I think the practicals. You have very, very, very good practicals. You get very hands-on with different materials and things. The teachers as well that you have for the course, and mainly in aeronautical, a lot that I've found are very supportive. They help you out loads. I've been looking at apprenticeships for BAE because I want to get work experience and I want to start, actually getting a job and, exploring the world. I would recommend Coleg Gwent for students due to the experience it can give you. If you don't know where you're going or you don't know what you want to do, there's nothing better than just go to this place and give yourself direction on where you want to go. So I feel like the support you get leads you in the best direction you could be in.